Hello and welcome back to the Hairy Housewife YouTube channel, you beautiful lot. This is just a quick introduction into the Dodo Juice mini-series that will be starting on the 25th of March. Now, why am I doing a mini-series? Well, some people seem to think I'm some sort of Dodo Juice fanatic, that I know about the brand and the products and how to use them. No idea why. But I get about 5 to 10 messages daily from people asking, how do I use this product? What does this product do? Which product will be best for this? And so on. So I thought instead of leaving them a long, lengthy message back, I could just send them a video clip on YouTube so they could watch it and make it simpler for them to know how to use that product. Now, if you want to send me a message, please don't hesitate to. It doesn't bother me, you sending me messages. Please feel free to just jump in my inbox on Instagram. I'll happily answer any of your questions and queries. However, it's basically to make it simpler for you guys at home. I could just send you a link to YouTube and say, this is a product, this is how to use it, this is what it does. Now, down to what these videos are going to be. These are not going to be reviews. If yourself wants to see a review of that certain product, pop it in the comments. I'm sure I can get a review of the product out. But these are going to be quick little videos on how to use a product and what the product does. Just to make it simple, again, for those people that message me and say, how do I use this product? What does it do? And, you know, what's going to be best for this? That is basically all these videos are going to be, how to use a product and what it does. So, guys, I've been a Hairy Housewife. Stay tuned. Make sure to check out the Dodo Juice mini-series. I'll be hopefully releasing a video maybe once every 2 weeks, and I'm going to go through majority of the product range where I can. So, guys, I've been a Hairy Housewife. You guys are great as always, and I'll see you very, very soon.